Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So this is a quick guide on how to connect your NodePay account to your Solana wallet using your mobile phone. So this is what you need to do. So you need to download two apps, Phantom Wallet and OKX Wallet. Please make sure to create a wallet with Phantom Wallet. Then what you just need to do is to open the Phantom Wallet. Alright, so what you need to do is to open the Phantom Wallet. Then you click here. After you click here, click on this pen sign. Then you click on show private key. So you click on show private key, you activate it, you click on continue, then you copy your private key. So after you copy your private key, take it to OKX. So in case you are finding it hard to access OKX, what you need to do is to download a VPN like NodePay, for example. Then you select any country of your choice. So using NodePay is free, so download NodePay. Then sorry for that. Then what you need to do is to click on Web3 wallet. So you select here, click on Web3 wallet. Alright, now what you need to do is to click on I already have one. So in case you are using Android phone, what you need to do, you are going to see section for exchange and wallet. So just select wallet. So now you click on I already have one, click on seed phrase or private key. Alright, so now what you need to do is to paste the private key you copied from your Phantom wallet here. Then after that, you click on confirm. Alright, so confirm, wait for it to process. Successful. So now what you need to do is to click on discover. Alright, so after clicking on discover, what you need to do is to click on these search tabs here, and you type this app.nodepay.ai. Then click on visit external site. So confirm. Now what you need to do is to log in your NodePay account. So put down your email address and your password. Alright guys, so after accessing your NodePay account, now what you need to do is to click on more, then you click on earnings. So if you click on earnings, it's going to bring you here. You are going to see something like this: wallet connection is only available on desktop. So now what you just need to do to bypass this is to click here. So after clicking here, what you need to do now is to click on switch to desktop mode. Alright guys, so you have just switched this to desktop mode, as you can see on the screen. So what you need to do is to zoom it. Now you click on connect. Alright, so now what you need to do is to select OKX wallet. Let's just connect. Let's just connect to OKX. Alright, so you can see on the screen sources connect OKX wallet. So done. Click on verify. So now what you need to do, make sure to compare it with your Solana address. If it is the same, then click confirm. Alright, so connected. Now what you need to do is to confirm wallet address. So you click on confirm. So after clicking on confirm, they are going to send you something to your email. So confirm wallet connection. After wallet confirmation, there is no way to change the wallet address connected to your account. It is your responsibility to ensure that your chosen wallet is correct. So please make sure you are 100% sure of the wallet you are about to connect. So please, so now what you need to do is to click on send mail. So they are going to send you a confirmation link to your registered email. What you need to do is to open it, then click on confirm. So make sure to click on confirm your wallet, then just click on return to dashboard. Then you are good to go. So let me refresh this page now. Alright guys, so you can see everything successful. So this is how to connect your NodePay account to your Solana wallet address for those of you using mobile phone. Alright guys, so in case you want to get more updates on NodePay, please make sure to join my Telegram group for fast information. So I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more greens to your wallet.